Welcome to this tutorial on cookies and cache, two fundamental concepts in browser data storage. These technologies work behind the scenes every time you browse the internet, making your web experience faster and more personalized. In this video, we'll explore what they are, how they work, and why they matter. Let's start with the basics. Cookies are small text files that websites store on your computer. Think of them as tiny notes that websites leave behind to remember information about you. Cache, on the other hand, is temporary storage where your browser saves web content like images and files. It's like a storage room that keeps copies of things you've already downloaded so you don't have to fetch them again. Cookies serve three main purposes. First, they handle user authentication, keeping you logged into websites so you don't have to enter your password every time. Second, they remember your preferences, like your language choice or theme settings. Third, they enable tracking, which websites use for analytics and targeted advertising. While tracking can feel invasive, it's also what powers personalized recommendations you might find useful. Cookies are structured as simple key-value pairs. For example, a cookie might store your username as John_Doe, a session ID as a string of random characters, your preferred theme as dark, and your language as English United States. Each piece of information is labeled with a key and assigned a corresponding value. This simple format makes cookies lightweight and easy for websites to read and write. Cache has three primary benefits. First, it speeds up loading times by storing resources locally on your device, so pages load almost instantly when you revisit them. Second, it reduces bandwidth usage because your browser doesn't need to download the same files repeatedly from the server. Third, it enables limited offline access, allowing you to view some content even without an internet connection. This makes browsing more efficient overall. Your browser cache stores various types of web content. This includes images and graphics, cascading style sheets or CSS that control how pages look, JavaScript files that add interactivity, videos and other media files, and even entire HTML pages. By keeping local copies of these resources, your browser can reconstruct web pages much faster on repeat visits. While cookies and cache both store data, they work differently. Cookies are sent to the server with every request, allowing websites to identify you and maintain your session. They're limited to about 4 kilobytes in size and can have expiration dates set by the website. Cache, in contrast, stays entirely on your device and is never sent to servers. It can store much larger amounts of data and is typically cleared either manually by you or automatically by your browser when space is needed. There are 4 main reasons to clear cookies and cache. Privacy is the first concern, as clearing them removes tracking data and browsing history that could reveal your online activities. Second, it frees up storage space on your device, which can be significant if you browse frequently. Third, clearing cache ensures you see the latest website updates instead of outdated cached versions. Finally, it can fix loading or display problems caused by corrupted or outdated stored data. Many browser issues can be resolved simply by clearing your cookies and cache.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.